Hey my pretty petites, welcome back to the Influential Life. I'm Shadana Miranda, the Influential Petite, and today I'm going to talk about the importance of how you can enhance your look. This video is going to focus on how you can cuff your pants so that when you buy a new pair of pants and they may be slightly too long, you can save money instead of bringing them to get alterations, and you can also become a DIYer. So let's get started. The first tip is to cuff your pants really long. We're going to do a really long cuff. So you take your pants and you cuff them really long all the way to the top, and you want to make sure that you get a great angle and that they're even. And then you want to cuff your other pants and you want to look at both of them to make sure that they're even. And this is just really like a really cute style that you can wear with some flats or some heels, but your pants won't be really long and going above not your ankles, but below your feet. So the second look, I don't really have a name for it, but we're going to call it the double cuff. So you're going to cuff it up all the way to the top, and you're going to stop at the hemline. Now this is a really unique style because it shows like the tip of the hemline, but it also shows the cuff, and it just really gives it a good clean and cute look. And this is also another style you can wear with some heels or some flats. This third look is going to be the pin roll. So we call it a pin roll because we're going to roll it up really skinny. So we're going to take our pants and we're going to cuff it really skinny. And then we're going to do a double cuff, but we're going to make sure that it's short and skinny as well. And there you have it. We can do another cuff, which is not necessarily a pin roll, but it's similar to a pin roll. We're just going to cuff it a little bit wider or longer, I should say. So it looks like a pin roll, but it's much longer. And it gives you a slightly different look. So you can either wear this or you can wear the pin roll, whatever one fits you and your style. So our fourth and last look, if you want something clean and you don't necessarily like the way your pants look cuffed, you can actually cuff them underneath. So you can't even tell that your pants is cuffed. It almost looks like a hem. And you're simply gonna just take your pants and basically roll them under like a cuff. So that's it, ladies. I just gave you 5 different looks to cuff your pants so that you can become a DIYer and save money. Let me know what you think about this video. Please leave comments in the comments box below, and before you leave, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the bell for notifications, so I'll be bringing you more awesome videos. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.